Hi, welcome to this episode of the practical applications of the 7 basic tools of quality. My name is Rahul Iyer. In the previous episode, you had gone through the real life example of a histogram. And in today's episode, we will discuss another real life example of the same tool. So why wait? Let's begin. Let's look at the example. I have provided a downloadable link to this data in a spreadsheet in the description section. Please feel free to download this spreadsheet and follow along this activity with me. Your manufacturing organization requires ball bearings that are 9 centimeters in diameter. The operations team complained about the performance of the existing supplier. Let's call it Supplier 1. Hence, your organization recently hired Supplier 2 to provide the same raw material. You are given the data. Identify which supplier has better performance. So, let's take a quick moment to create the two histograms. Now, this histogram represents the ball bearing diameter data of Supplier 1 and this represents that of Supplier 2. Just observe this histogram with a keen eye for detail. You will see that the mean or the average line is around 9 centimeters for this histogram, but the spread of this histogram is from 6.3 centimeters to 11.9 centimeters. The variation is huge. That means the complaints from the operations team are genuine. Supplier 1 is supplying many defective raw materials. Now let's look at the histogram of Supplier 2. In this histogram 2, the average is around 9 centimeters, just like the previous histogram, but you will see that the spread of this histogram is between 8.9 centimeter to 9.1 centimeter. This diameter is very close to the process requirement of 9 cm and the variation is way lesser than the histogram seen for Supplier 1. Hence, based on your histogram analysis, this graphical tool clearly indicates that Supplier 2 performs better than Supplier 1. And that's it. You have used histogram to infer the results of a real life problem. We have come to the end of this episode. In the next episode, we will discuss the practical application of another tool, Pareto charts. If you have liked this episode, hit the like, share and subscribe button. And don't forget to add your comments. See you in the next episode.